Good evening, everyone. Why I'm so loud? That's better. Okay, today we are back with more Theme Hospital modding. I thought to make another StreamerBot, but I decided to not. I will do it in the next week. There are so many people who didn't read the pop-up window when you update StreamerBot, and they can't find where all events gone. I like at least 5 or 10 people is asking. But I will eventually find it. That's okay. Okay, chat. Let me open this. Test. What? Why it's here? And when it was. Why timestamps again disappeared? Okay, show timestamp. Okay, 15. Oh, it's old one. Betrayed is like a signature. That's really fun. But for now, I don't hear any problems. Let's try and run the music. Playlist, please. Sound settings. Yep. Now let's return background. I hope everything will go fine today. Is everything fine here? Yes. Brave, come on. And we start lagging immediately. Are you serious? Are we good? I think it was a little lag, so we're back to okay. Yep, seems fine. I don't need you actually for now. Oh, again, Visual Studio, I need to start you. Lags incoming. And hop. Seems fine. Huh, interesting. Update, no, I don't want updates. We got DLL main. So last time, unfortunately, I discovered what I didn't want to. Shake? Wake? So I thought there is like one function which reads the settings for Quake and starts the sequence, but apparently it's not the option here. This all Quake settings set somewhere else in this function actually. We are reading, so I thought I can just find a function with params which I can hijack and just call whenever I want. But to work properly, it reads from the global variables, which set in the completely different part of the program. So Quake run is here. We got param1. So the simplest way for me, again, it's to make how I did it in the CheatEngine version. So I will just populate this. Where is it? So to populate this structure with data, and game will run it. So good news that this is the static address, so there is not much of a like troubles to do this stuff. But it's not what I wanted. I wanted to just call a function with arguments. But no. Let me check. Bitrate is red for me on Twitch, but I don't hear any problems and I don't see any problems. So YouTube is buffering. So let's try and go with this strategy first. So basically, these 3 addresses is what we need. Okay. So I got a bunch of this stuff, which I don't really need now right now, because I will not use DLL injections for now. So there is entrance in our DLL. We are creating thread. It's not what I want. Hook thread creates console, injects, and this we can just ignore. Stream. Where is my repo? And hospital. So, what I can try, just for test, I can connect it to the hotkey. For this, we need to understand how to use hotkeys in C++. Window keyboard. I don't need friends, please. Unknown cheats. Oh. Hello, unknown cheats. Long time no see. Here's a small tutorial how to make a hotkey in C++, which can be used to turn things on and off. You want to use in wall hacks or something? No, we don't do this stuff here. We are good people. Again, get a sync key state. Not curious if we would use static bool in this situation. And lesson was free. Banned. I should call this global hotkeys to a window if you don't want to make them global. When the proc key down. It's window procedure, but I don't want. Okay, I am good with a global hotkey, so don't. Now I prefer to use documentation. MSD, and can you give me answer? I only learn. Strange. Why it's in learn? Okay. So, if get, we will make virtual key codes. How to make double like shift something. Work with a mouse button. Checks of the state. Physical mouse buttons, not the logical. No. Turn true. You can use following virtual code constant as value for V key to distinguish between the left and the right instance of those keys. No. Do I need to use a mask? Determines whether key is up and down. Because this is a number. More information. Okay, let's distinguish this remark. Let's try with modifiers. I didn't understand the function. What the function actually does. Returns 0 if the key associated with the code given isn't present. Or I think it meant to be pressed. Oh, wait a minute. Return. Specify whether the key was pressed and whether the key is turned up and down. If the most significant bit is set, its keys down. It said the key was pressed after the previous call. Did not rely on this behavior. For more information, see remarks. No, I thought maybe it's one of the bits is about if any modifiers was pressed. But no. C++ hotkey like shift plus F key. Okay, we will not go to this rabbit hole. We will use just freaking one key because it's a temporary solution. Numpad. We will just use numpad. Don't give a damn.
Ah, Madame Martin, prenez une petite chaise. On a un petit problème. On a remarqué.
What the hell? No, it's good. Madam. Get a sync. Okay, get a sync. So, key numpad 1. I will make a friendly names so I don't forget. it's integer. Okay. So int quake activator. I think this will be fine. Then to check, we need to find this. So smallest bit. Was pressed since the last call. Currently, the most significant is key down. Less significant, the key was pressed. Okay, we need less significant, so it's sorry, and 1. Quake activate. Now we need to have a function. For now it will be void quake activate. Sorry. Also, we need address, because we got a static address, so we need to grab this offset. Brinks. How I grab the addresses. So there is address. Game process. Get current process. Read memory. We need to grab this. We will make you a global one for now. Get current process. What exactly you do? What is brave? Let's see what's plus. Return value is a pseudo handle. And with this handle we can read process memory. Plus get module base address. Kinda will be 4004, but I want to have a function. snapshot, module entry size. Get ID, open process. That is base. Where did you get base? Double word get module base address. I don't like this method. Base address module array 0. Okay. Let's YOLO it. I don't know why this base address is like that. Base address will be 004.
Favorites, especially when it comes to music.
Why are you lagging so much with this? 006 0040000. Am I correct? 2 2 2. Okay, must be okay. Module base address. Yeah, 8 symbols. Quick integer or double word I can use. Quick tick, I call it quick tick. Offset is equal. Okay. This. Then Quake severity BP and enabled. BC. So when it's active, we need to write to this memory. Lag. Stop this nonsense. Check. Are we good? Read. There was a write somewhere. Right. Strange. I thought I wrote the memory somewhere, but no. So C++, write memory. MSDN. Memory management. Okay. Right, process memory. Okay. So we need to just write 3 times, basically. We need H base address buffer. So it's memory where I need to write it. So plus offset and plus offset. I hear crackling. Are we in sync yet? Still. Apparently, no. Video is out of sync, unfortunately. Will we be able to keep up? Okay, stop the music apparently. Module incompatible with the void. What's happened? Yes. We okay, I hope. No. Video is delayed. Come on, can you keep up, please? And are we back? We should be back. For some reason, OBS 29 constantly does one thing. Around 1 hour mark, it just drops to 0. It stops outputting anything. So my bitrate is like 0 and nothing happen. And I can't do anything about it. I have to restart everything. I even have to go to the task manager and kill OBS because it doesn't stop other way. So now we should be back. I turned on back my version 27, which was working fine before my vacation. I hope it will work fine now. I really want to move to OBS 29, but for some reason only 27 is working properly for me. Everything higher doesn't work. And we are in sync again, at least. And also I need to switch my StreamerBot stuff back. But my actions will not work, but I disabled them, I think, already. Okay, let's see. Okay, there was a big lag before, so I started to write memory functions to write our three main things for quakes. So what we need? Handle, LP void, LPC void, buffer. So buffer, it's what I need to write. A pointer to the buffer that contains data to be written in the address space of the specified process. Number of bytes. And out is number of bytes written. Size T, size T. Where is my music here? It should work. BG music teleport. I lost the source. Okay. Just with music, it's simpler to hear if something wrong. Okay. Filters, noise suppression, good. Everything should be fine. So, read process, how I made this. So I don't care about how many bytes was read or written. So I can put 0 in the last one. Size. Okay, that's important thing. Because how we can see from addresses, it's just a bytes. And this is double word. Yeah, 4 bytes. My math is still working. 4, 1, 1. And what I want to write here. So here we will write 0. Here I will need variable because it's only one thing which is changing. Or I can use in-game queue for this stuff. Just I have two options. I can do like I did before. I just replace these 3 values which correspond to the next quake. If you place in game tick any number below the current tick, it will immediately run it. It was a premise for the previous version. And queue was handled by basically setting cooldown on the reward, and if by some chance the second the same reward was called before previous was activated in game, it was held in the queue in the script, because there was a lock like if this previous one already run, and until it doesn't run, it doesn't allow to override this values. Okay, so everything was okay, but Q was on the side of the script or even Twitch. But I can move it to the game. As we know, where is this file? Vim Hospital. That's the H. Data. Okay, level file. Open. Viva. Come on, open with. Notepad. Okay. Where is it? Emergency. Okay, quick. The game. So how I did previously, I was clearing this stuff completely from the level. I made like a custom level for the stream. I moved the win criteria well like far away. It was like 1 million patients I think you need to cure, so game was able to run for several hours because I was streaming for the Thankmas for almost 12 hours I think. So I was clearing everything, emergencies, quake, what can I also, I don't remember, but the thing is, if you played this one level, everything was fine. But if you want to play original game, original levels, which no, open new window on numpad, please. This is the original level from the game. It got 3 emergencies and 3 quakes. That's the first level. It's really easy and nothing special. So if I will do my way with overwriting this, it will overwrite every time the current next quake. So game checks the settings, it looks that there is something. Actually there is nothing. By 0 it will not work. It's a placeholders. Can I have, like, let me see the last level. 12. That's better. Yeah, quake. Start month, end month. So game looks here. It looks here if there is nothing. It's somewhere, I think, in this. This function actually is setting these values, but it's called from there was a switch somewhere. Yeah, there is a switch which checks, do you need to actually do something, checks for quake stage. So when it's 0, quick stage 1. This function is called from here. I think it's reading settings. So, thing is, you will lose some events if you will do this way. If you want to play a regional game with original events, I can do other thing. I can place viewers triggered events into the original queue. Interesting. Is it moving this, or it's just stepping one by one? Because if this, like from 5 to 10 month, if I will place here 0, 1, it should be called before, but will it work like that? I can test it. Let me open my test level, because I wanna make like system which you can use with original levels, not with a special made, because not everyone like me. So Quake. now let's make like this. This will be 2, 4. We have a severity 3, but this will be 0, 1 with severity 6. Now we need to start our game. And check. Yes. It's run on the other screen. I forgot I moved it. Now we are working fine. It's something wrong with version 29 on my system. Okay, second screen. Coordinates. Okay, let's try. Why you count this as the second screen? It's the first screen in the Windows. Because I specifically made it's different. So it's you see the second screen. But it's a laptop screen, and the second screen I connected to this laptop, I set it like primary in Windows, so everything shows there, and everything I want, I move to the stream screen, and nothing pop up by default. Now it just doesn't care about number of monitors. I changed then settings, but nothing is changed. So I'm using this handy tool to make it windowed. So basically, first monitor, it's this one which you don't see, and second one is this. I set it to second, it still shows here. I changed it to first, and again it's on this screen. So all trick is to just manually enter the X coordinate here. Now it will be here finally. Okay, test. Now, first level. We should first get the severity 3 and then get the severity 6. No, my bad, exactly the opposite. 6 must be first. Okay, now we are waiting a little bit. Must be somewhere in the first month. So now it's 0 uses. Yep, there is our Quake. And we got 6. Yes, so it doesn't matter. It matters how I write it in this config. I messed up. I forgot to change the index. So I think if I will open the debug, there will be only one. I can. There will be only one. Come on. I need an address. This is our array, the control. Where is my debugger? Ah, there it is. Now we are moving here and we got 0, 1, 6 and nothing else. So I messed up. My bad. Let's restart it. It's enough to just quit this and re-enter, because level config file is load every time. Open. Clinics, inflation. Okay, now we can just pick into the memory 2, 4, 3 and 0, 1, 6 we can see. So they are in the same order like here. But how they will be triggered? I lost the window. There it is. So will it be called in the first month, as I expect? Come on, it's almost end of the month. And no, we didn't get it. I can check. Quick next. So this one. No, not this cleanup. No. Shish. Calculator. Programmer. 1C62. Preferably hex. So it's a 7,000. I will delete the 145. So it's what? It's a day by 30. It's a 4th month. Yep, it will be it at the end. And we can see severity 3. So if I will wait till the end of the April, it should trigger it. Let me move it here. On Mars. April. On. Oh no, 4. Because it's a whole division, it lost. $145, $120. It's 4 months, and yep, there it is. End of the May. So we lost a bunch of days. It must be 25. Come on. We got 0. Where is the second portion? Oh, it's something. It's doing something. Yes. Now we got our 3. Yep, times used 3. And there is 0. It doesn't read the next one. And it's stuck on the old one. So fortunately I need to like put in the front of this array. Because if I will do it like that, we will get 35 earthquake soon. Will it trigger it? Or I need to... Now there is 1 again. Ah, wait a minute. This one must be 1. And we got... +3. So we got the same, which one is already here. No, it doesn't read this one.
It's okay to have favorites, especially when it comes to music. That's why.
Yep. And we're back. Oh. What we can do about it? Let me check. When we set next stuff. Enabled 0. Enabled 1. If. Do if. Plus index. Index 0. Index plus 1. But it's local. This function every time looks from the start of the list. Check what the hell, why this function is keeping. Will it trigger? Apparently not. It's called from two places. This. Apparently this is the start of the game, maybe. Or this. Case 4. Case 4, it's... okay. It's after the... wait. When we will call this function. The start of the level. Yep. It starts. Let me think. F7. Enter. Okay, we are moving X. Okay. ECX is 0, the X is 0. This one. Move load. So we are getting inside. Call game tick. Increment somewhere. Not increment, just setting enabled. And return. Okay. We're getting here. Then it loads stuff. Will it be able to load it? No. As this game doesn't like to be stopped in middle of the animation. Maybe it's a direct draw problem. Okay, we are stuck, unfortunately. Now there is a game. Okay. Move it here. Test. First, run. We again in this function. Again, will stuck. Partly. Okay, doesn't like it. QQuake. Let me check this. Case 4, if dot -1 and dot less than 2, and let's game clock. Let's check this function. Jump. Ah, it's called the jump. Okay. Um, 928. It's 2000, 4000 minus 1003. Quick math. I just want to game start on the right side of the screen. Yep, that's better. So it doesn't block my debugger. Okay. No, new game, please. Okay. Open Linux. Room. Come on, please. And again, we will have to wait until the May. Meanwhile, let's check. Quick control. No, quick next thing. Yes, it's set here. Again, 1C62. What will happen after the quake? Come on, quickly. Faster. April. It will be again the end of May, so we will have to wait. Come on. Oh, yes. There it is. Come on. And it should trigger, yep, this function. So, for now, there is a still previous one, which actually triggered right now. Now we are getting inside the Q quake. Think, please. It always grabs this address for some reason. End the month, not start month. So we're going okay. So index again is 0. Enabled 0. Then we grab this address. We load this stuff. We check. what we check? Following dump, constant. EBX right now is 0, so we will get here. It's a 1. If it's equal 0. Huh. So we are jumping out. So we don't set anything if there is 1. Increment. And if it doesn't work, we go back. So index right now is 1. And there is 0. We will go in. What is this address? Huh. Okay, we're getting in. We're setting 1 here. We're moving stuff. If no. Jump. And we jump out because this is false. Month minus 1. It's a start month. I want to say. I think. Increment 2. We're again trying to find something. We can't. We go out. We do this one more time and one another time. We will make it like 16 times. There's exactly 16 bytes. Are you serious? Huh. If I will go to 15th, where is this? Quick control. 16 entries by 3 words. Okay. We go here. We see again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so we got address, which I need to find 50th by 3. That's 45. Is this the correct one? So 75. That's 78 or 7B. 78. 7765. So it should start here. Let's look at it. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 I 2 3 3 and 1 2 3. I messed up. We got 16 here. So by 2 it's 8. By I will not be able to. So 16 words, 24 words. We need 45. 45 bytes. 12 and a half. What? My math is broke. So 14 words. 14 elements by 3 words. Oh, 40, 42. No. 36. What am I thinking? No, it's 12. I need 40. So it's 42. Yeah. So this is 16.
It's okay to have favorites, especially when it comes to music. That's why.
That's better. So 42, we got 16, 32 plus 10, 1, 2, 3, 8, 10. So it should start here. How I got this number? $48 plus let's think other way. So 16 by 3, it's this section. Oh, yeah, don't move so fast. Shit. So this is the array for all config of Quake. So this is the last element from 72. Just to be sure, I will check it like 08, 09 and severity 04. So 15 element is here. So let's place severity 7. month. I better make this 9 and 8. And this will be 9, 10. And what we will get now then? We are going here. We are going if. Come on. And we jump again. And let's try one more time. It's still jumping out. Oh, and it's stuck here. Oh, now it's inside this. If that, less than quick and month. What is this dot address? A9. There is 6AA. There is 6A9. What? And 6 compared to 6. What? And we return here. And we got no more quakes. Oh, there is a quake. Wait a minute. It was 8? What? But there is nothing. Okay. Let me check other way around. If we will make this like that, then there's breakpoints. Remove. We will test another thing. Quit. This will be a quick one because it's in first month. Come on, place it. Hey, mouse. I need to find the addresses. It's a little bit annoying that it loses. Oh no, wait a minute. I didn't lose anything here. Why memory isn't changed? Why there is 1.6 still? Okay, let's try. It prepared An earthquake with severity 3, as it should. Okay, where is it? It will be at the end of the month, I think. Yep, there it is. One. There it is. Okay. And we got 3. As intended. Now it will... Oh, it grabs from here. Severity 7. But I don't need it. Okay, for some reason it didn't restore memory. Okay, let's quit and restart again. Clinic. Come on. Come on, mouse. That's why I don't like Windows version of this game. But it's easier to reverse engineer because DOSBox is giving so much overhead. Come on. Yep, we got ourselves an earthquake. Now we can see 3, and this is 0. It doesn't reset this data, sheesh. But it sets this to 0, so nothing will happen. But what will happen if I will switch here, like 3, 4, 7. Oh, I found a screenshot button in the game. Will it do anything? Apparently no. If I will set this, it will make the previous one. Now it's again 0, and nothing happens. So it ignores this. But if I will duplicate we'll trigger the next one. Will it refresh to the next one? Okay, it's 3. I need to change it or it will explode. No, it again didn't read the config. Where is it? How can I find it? No, if that less than quick 0 and month. Interesting. And month -2, it's basically yes. He's stepping one element back. Case 4. This is placing week 4. So it always looks at this address. Can I set it to 0? Everything. Modify 0. That will be 1 by 1. Come on, what the hell? Okay, what will you say now? Nothing apparently, because that's memory is really near. Come on. And it changed. So this memory is doing something. Changed to 6 for some reason. To this one. Interesting. Okay. And voila, everything is 1 again. Because he looked at the whole array. So this is like a flags which one was like from the 16 entries, which one was checked. We are in July, so 07081. And let's get rid of first one. It will happen. Okay, it will run again the previous one. It's bad. Ay. Yes, replaced. Oh, and we got severity 1, so it read this one. Huh. So I kinda can control this. How I can do this? Of course, I can, but no. There is a problem. I wanted to like when someone triggers, I want to save this value, which is like next one, or replace it with my values. And when it's called, return the previous, but the problem will be that after my call, it will load new one. And if I will write back the previous one, it will overwrite this and it will lose anyway the one. We can try. I will be able to check which one was loaded. I can zero it out, and by my logic, it should reload one I destroyed. Let's try this. Where is the... So, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 4, 5 with 31. It's easier to just close the game, so memory is cleared. Come on. Yep. Now, where is this. Okay, now attach. This one. I think I can make like labels for, so I don't need to every time. Label current address. Quick. Next. But where I can see them? View. Labels. Oh, it's reference and oh, there is so many labels I made. Expose span, text bubble, game clock. Okay. Now it's empty because we didn't load anything yet. Now I need this. How I can label you. Now wait a minute, 14, 1, 2. Uh, 11DB 14. This one. Okay. But it's easier to get it here. Label. Quick. Status. Okay, let it be like that. Brum. For now it's 0. There is nothing, and there is quick control. Label. Quick control array. Now, when we load the game, we should see yep, it's loaded. So there is our quick. So we can see 4, 5, 1 immediately. I'm stupid again. Sorry. I forgot to change the index. So now we can see the proper values: 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, and 4, 5, 1. Here we can see 1 because it's already here. 3, 1. Now, if I will be really quick with this, come on, place it. I managed to place the door in the wrong spot. Come on, place it. Okay, so this must be 10 AA, 4050. 85 days, so it's not soon. So we are doing one fun thing. We are changing this to 7, this to 0, and this we are changing also to 0. So by my logic, it should play this, and when it's updated, because I nullified this, it should again load this one. Let's see. It should be severity 7. Only one problem, that this quake should act fast. So the second one doesn't became like too late, because yes, we got times used 7. Few, and it should reload on the new value, and we got severity 3 again with a day. 14, 16, 50, 102. It's like 3 months, which is between. It's out of range, but it's this one. Because severity is 3. So if I will again nullify this, still 0. Okay. Oh, we need to replace it. So it must be in March. Come on. What will happen if it's too late? Like, I forgot that this game Windows version doesn't run if you lose focus on it. Come on. April. O'Neill. Yes, we got earthquake. Phew, it was big one. 8. No, it wasn't. It's only 3. Now we got 0 here still. Now we got 1 and 1. Ah, okay. It swapped on the second one because it's too late already. So technically it's okay to lose 1. If it's like in the same time. Because if you will open again, original file for like last level, there is a slim chance that it will happen in the next month. They separated at least 5 months. Where is this quake? There's 6 month difference. I think there's a, and it's a hard level. I'm looking. There is also 6. I thought there was like first level where you get the earthquakes. They maybe are really often, no? There is no earthquakes at all. Emergency. No quakes. Huh. Hard level, you say, and there is no quakes. Until 5th level, there's 0 quakes. Mm-hmm. 6, 12, 12, 18. So yeah, you basically got like 6 months. 5. The smallest one I can see. So it's not big of a deal. Oh, there. Ooh, there is 2 months. Between only first 2. Then it's 9. Oh, 20. 29. 19. There is 1 month. And there, but there is like small quakes with 1. It's meh. So let me now check this address. First of all, it's decimal. If this address Can I? It's byte pointer. Okay, so data, create array. So first, then I need to set it as byte, and then I need to set it as array of 16 elements. So let's label it like quick index used. So I will need this address. Let me close the game so it doesn't lag. Okay, version 27 is working perfectly for me on BS. Zero lags was encountered. Okay. So quick. So then I actually don't need this offset. Quick. Interesting. How can I read data and grab the freaking array? Quick index use the offset. We need to extract array of bytes. You need the size. No. Get it. I don't remember how to use it in C, apparently like that. It will be nullified. So where can I find tutorial? C++ get array from memory. address. So of course I can read a freaking line of bytes and try and save it, but I want to know exactly how properly make it. He got array of integers, then he saves in the pointer t, which usually an address of array. He outputs t and u, an address of t. Then he outputs u, u contains address of this, and he outputs address of u. And what's the problem? It's an address of a variable where it's stored address of a array. Understand that t and address at t0 should have same value, but how comes address at t is also the same? Because usually first element get the address of a array. When t is used on its own in the expression, an array to pointer and conversion take place is produced a pointer to the first element, which is basically the address. When you try to get an address, you will get the address. Yes. But it doesn't answer on my question. How I can retrieve array. How to get array index by memory. My code. Let's look at the read memory. Will be read process memory. Yep. Let's grab it. Handle. Address plus this offset, and it must be lpc void. Okay, just for readability sake. Then buffer. I'm not sure that this is the same size, but usually it's null field. Size is size of this, and number of bytes read, I don't care. Read. Okay. If sorry. If for each in the C++ exist? For each in C++, DigitalOcean, hello. For arrays vector. Oh, it works. If it works, it's awesome. Printf. E. We will get this. %d. So E. Are we in sync? I hope everything was going smoothly. A little bit of sync, I think. One, two, 1, 2. Ooh, second delay. Properties. No advanced. Sync offset. Let's try like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Nope. Didn't cut it. Now 1, 2, 1, 2. And now it's too late. One second. Now, the hell. Is it synced again? No, I don't need it. Sync. 1, 2. Ah! Let it be. So, if everything goes according to plan, this thing should show me the internals of this array. But as always, first I need to build it and inject it again because I turned off injection. Oh, give me this, please. Debug. Okay, now we are cooking. Let's start it. There is our injector. Getting this. So if I will press F12 right now, it should print something. Oh, it's a numpad 1, I think. I forgot. Numpad 1, yes. Why it doesn't work? Oh, numpad is turned off. Oops. Still doesn't work. Ah, doesn't trigger. Maybe it's triggering, but it doesn't do a good job of it. Click activate. I need to rebuild it. Come on, close before it's too late. Oh, no. I forgot it's not linked, so I can build it with OpenGame. OpenGamer. Yeah. It's working, but it's thinking. Or it activates only until the game activates. Maybe game is capturing my hotkeys. Yeah, because right now it doesn't work. I think because this keys is bound to something else. Let's try F12. Because on the numpad I can move the camera also like arrows. Maybe it overrides something. VK F12, I think it's just yep. DLL replace. Injector. Yep, now it triggers. Again. Now it doesn't. Oh no. I thought I made an infinite loop, but no. It's foreign, it doesn't do this. Game is freaking capturing my hotkeys apparently. Hotkeys. Interesting. Can I set a trigger? ++ observer. No. Class observer. Update observer. It's self-made. It's the pattern. So in C++ they don't have a kind of observers built in. Library. Okay, I can make just for test timer. Where is it? C++ timer. Clock, while clock minus now delay. Can I?
It's
Come
okay
on,
to
stop
have favorites,
glitching.
especially when it comes to
Timer events. Boost. Again, are you serious? How's the freaking game blocking my hotkeys? Interesting. I can try other thing. We will change this to actual string. Char. Is this possible? While true. I need to get console input plus console read basic input output. Not so basic, please. I just need to wait. Read line. Wait. So the console just stops between until I write something. I don't know. Wait for user input. Get. I think this one. Halting execution using get. Get C. Pause. I think this one I was using. But we need yesterday, I think, for this. No. We'll use it like that. Out. Hello, you just pressed. But how I can get the output? I need to see what was input. Okay. Where is the documentation? Get char stream size. Extract a single character. C-string. Character from the stream and stores them in a C-string until either end. How can I use it like with if I don't know? Well, how many will be? Okay. Char. Now we will grab you. How the hell I managed to do this? And we will just use one freaking char. Q. If he can compare it like that or not. C++ char compare. As you can see, C++ is not my main language, so I Google everything. So basically string compare model I can use, but just ASCII values is good enough. Only one small thing, this must be a char in one quote. Let's try. Copy paste, copy paste. Okay, start, test. But did my console even wait for the input Q? Yay, but for some reason... Oh, wait a minute. I messed up. It's for each loop, and I used it like just for loop with index. Mobbit. It must be index and actually I need index. Usually you can have two for each with a value or value and key. C++ for each. Data variable. But can I have a key? Also no. I need to use just for it's a better reference. Usually this site is good for loop. Conditional iteration expression, declaration or expression. Conditional. Okay, it's easier for me to use a simple one. So E smaller than C++ array size length. It's len or no? Using begin end counting size of. You can size of, not type of, usually. Len pointer array plus 1 minus array. That's the next memory location. Line calculation. Okay, 16. Hard coded. Now it should show me what I want. What the hell? Debug. Chpok, and start. Q. No. Come on, game. Don't. So we got 16 elements with zeros. Okay, so far so good. Now we will start the level and it should load it with something, but it's freaking wrong data. Where is my debugger? We are getting this. plus this. And preferably in the dump. Oh. And we actually get the correct data. Because I messed up with an address. Yep. I don't know why. Must be DB. Where I got this address. Or I just forgot to change it. Shish. So there is our offset build, please. Now close it. Replace again. And start again. Test. Right now it's empty. And now we got 1 because we loaded the first one. And it will be to 3. So it's not so far away. We'll go fast forward. And I got 5 minutes. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Which month? 2, 3. So it must be this month already. Yep, there it is. So for now, there is still only the first one. Now there will be an actual yes. And now it should update our one usually after he disappeared. Yep, we got second. So I found some interesting way to do this stuff. I hope next time I will actually do something and I will connect it. But I will have to connect a freaking WebSocket to it, so it's easier. So I can send commands via StreamerBot or Postman, it depends. But at least I know how to attach it into the queue in the game, so you can use it with standard levels. That's nice to know. So that will be all for today. I will see you all on the next week. I hope my schedule will be fine. Teleport, can you be a little bit quieter? So, have a good rest of you. Thank you everyone who joined us today. And as always, have a good rest of your day and have a good rest of your week. Bye bye.